In this video, we'll walk through how to analyze webinar performance in Livestorm, giving you all the tools you need to truly measure success. If you're looking to optimize your webinar results, stick around because we're diving into key metrics, features, and strategies that can elevate your Livestorm experience. Plus, there's an exclusive bonus for you at the end of the video. First off, if you're new to Livestorm, it's an all-in-one webinar software that provides powerful analytics to help you understand every part of your webinar's performance. You can use it completely free by clicking the first link below, and we'll even throw in exclusive bonuses to get you started. Now let's dive into the key metrics Livestorm offers for analyzing webinar performance. One of the first things you'll notice is the engagement metrics. This includes information on how many attendees interacted during the webinar, which is essential for evaluating whether your content is resonating with your audience. You can track things like reactions, poll responses, and chat activity. Monitoring these helps you see where your audience is most engaged and, more importantly, where they lose interest. Next, you can also track attendance rates, which are crucial for understanding how effective your promotion was. If you see a high registration rate but a low attendance rate, it might be a sign that your reminder emails or your webinar timing need to be adjusted. But it's not just about how many people showed up, it's also about how long they stayed. Livestorm's retention rate is a critical metric. This tells you how long people stayed in your webinar, and it's a great way to gauge if your content is keeping people engaged or if there's a drop-off happening. Look for patterns in retention and see where attendees start leaving. This is often a signal that the content might need to be tweaked or more engaging strategies could be implemented. The conversion rate is another important metric, especially for businesses using webinars to generate leads. You can easily track how many attendees took action during or after the webinar, whether that's clicking a link, filling out a form, or making a purchase. Conversion rates tell you if your webinar is effective at leading attendees down the funnel. Livestorm also provides insights into technical performance, which is incredibly important to ensure that everything runs smoothly. You can see things like streaming quality, buffering, and any technical issues that might have disrupted the user experience. If you notice issues here, it's essential to work on optimizing your equipment, internet connection, and even platform settings to avoid future problems. Another great tool in Livestorm is the feedback survey. After your webinar ends, you can send out a quick survey to gather attendee feedback. This gives you direct insight into what people enjoyed, what they didn't, and how you can improve future webinars. It's a goldmine for actionable information that you can use to refine your strategy. A powerful feature that I love about Livestorm is the ability to segment your data. You can break down performance metrics based on specific attendee demographics or behaviors. This helps you better understand your audience and tailor your webinars to the right groups, ultimately increasing engagement and conversions. Finally, the post-webinar report in Livestorm consolidates all these insights into one easy-to-read document. This report helps you quickly analyze your event, so you can see what worked and what didn't, giving you a roadmap for continuous improvement. If you're new to Livestorm and want to dive deeper into webinar performance analysis, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial from the link below. This is a fantastic way to get started without any commitment, and you'll have full access to all the features mentioned today. To summarize, understanding your webinar performance in Livestorm is key to optimizing your future events. By analyzing engagement, attendance rates, retention, conversions, and technical performance, you'll be well on your way to hosting successful webinars that drive real results. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial we're offering through the link below and start taking your webinars to the next level today.